Today we have this question on the board to solve. So the question wants us to find that is angle ABC. Where is it? Angle ABC, the angle here, and angle CED. CED, that is the angle here. So angle ABC and angle CED. Now this is a question under circle theorem. When you see it like this, don't let the question or the diagram scare you. The first thing you have to ask yourself is that where do I start from? So you can look at it carefully, then you go like, okay, we have a center here as the question has actually informed us. And at this point, you are having 126 degrees. So you can generate an imaginary line over here, and that becomes a chord. Now, one of the theorems of circle theorem says that when you have a chord and it subtends at the circumference of a circle, so let's say that maybe this angle is A. That angle that the chord actually creates or generates, and if that same chord subtends at the circumference of a circle and also creates an angle over here, that angle, the angle that the chord generated or subtend here at the center, should be equal to twice the angle that it subtends at what the circumference of a circle. In this case, let's make it B. So that means that it becomes what? 2B. All right. Now, however, A is equal to 126. So here it will be 2B. You divide both sides by the coefficient of B. All right. Now, B will be equal to 1 here. Here you have 63. Therefore, the angle B will be equal to 63. The B, we are the one who introduced it. However, actually B stands for angle AEEC. All right. Now, this B is, sorry, let me put it this way. This B plus the angle over here. All right, that is what you are looking for. So let me make it angle M. The angle that we are looking over here is equal to 180. Now, what is the reason? What it means is that when you have a cyclic that is quadrilateral, opposite angles are what? Equal to. The sum of it is equal to 180. However, we've had this one to be equal to what? 63 plus M equal to 180 degrees. So M will be equal to 180 degrees minus 63. You have M to be equal to 170.